Okay guys, on today's edition I'll be showing you how to fix button phones charging ports. Yeah, mostly these new modern button phones. So you can see I'll be using the simplest method without much equipment. I've already removed the charging port, the old one. Now I'm trying to fix the new one. I'll try to make it the easy way, removing the two irrelevant legs, remaining the three that is most important. The first, the third, and the last leg. Okay, as you can see, I'm applying lead on the charging port. It helps it sit well. So this is it. Place the charging port on the panel. Once you place the charging port on your panel, make sure you get it accurate. Then you solder it using your lead, your soldering iron and the lead. Apply it at those openings, the thread. So that's it. As you can see, the charging port is being seated on the panel. You make sure that it is well positioned so that those three legs will face or be placed on those legs where you solder it. So now I'm done soldering it, trying to make my work clean. As you can see, this is it. You apply more lead to make it stronger. Make sure that it's well soldered. Yeah. Okay. This is it. Make sure that it's well soldered. That's it. Let me making sure I soldered it well so that it won't pull off. Are you seeing it? So guys, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Please make sure you share this information, this message, and click on your notification board so that next time my video will be dropping, you will be the first to notify. All right, as you can see.